22 Passive Income Ideas, How I Earn $28,000 per month. Hey everybody, welcome to Finance Media Channel. Today we want to talk about 22 passive income ideas, how I earn $28,000 per month. Make sure to watch until the end, because it's one of the most amazing hacks you have ever seen. Passive income ideas were a famous topic in 2021. Through the waves are dying down a bit this year, but the reality has never changed that ever than before. People are constantly looking out for ways to increase their earning and relish financial independence. Today we're talking about 22 passive income ideas in this video. Passive income simply means residual income, which is money that comes to you over time from work you have done in the past or something you are doing now that doesn't need much of your time and effort. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and update to new videos. I am happy to your cooperation. So let's start. So I'm pulling the top 22, and we're gonna go through them in just 5 minutes. Number 1, crowd-funded rental property. So this is like Fundrise, or you can invest in real estate, but you don't do any of the work. 100% passive. Number 2 is to refinance your student debts. This is a large income saver for most people. When I had student debts, I refinanced them and secure a large number of dollars. You know, most possible will be the same for you. One of the huge players in this space is a website called Credible, so check them out. Number 3 on the list is bank certificates of deposit. It's also known as CDs. Is a super boring, but they're also super safe. They're backed by FDIC insurance. So simple, easy route to get some passive income. Renting out storage area. Now this is a cool design. I like this one. So he has in here, did you know that 1 in 11 country people pays for more storage space? I had no idea. Number 4 is a website called Neighbor, which is basically like the Airbnb of storage, and so you can rent out your basement or rent out a room to allow people to bring there and make some passive income. High dividend stocks and funds. I love purchasing stocks that have dividends because you can earn 2 different ways, and that's fun. Number 5 is starting a blog, and this is the thing that works the best for me, so I'm a big fan of it. Does take work, it takes time, but it's a whole lot easier now than it was when I got started over 10 years ago, and we're a free course to kind of help you, and it's called our Start Your Blog Now course, and so if you're interested to dive on into that, and that will get you up. Number 6 is peer-to-peer lending. So some people want to bypass the banks and just lend to people individually, and so there are sites like a lending club or Prosper. We can do this, and so you can borrow money when you might not otherwise be able to get it from a bank. Number 7 is lending money and earning passively as well. Sublease. Housemate. So if you have a house and you have a room in there that you can rent out to a housemate, this is a great way to make some passive income. You can rent out your car and make some money. Number 8 website called Turo. Also did another review about them as well. You can rent your car in there and make money, and while it might take a little bit of time and not be 100% passive, it's a pretty passive way to make a little extra cash. Number 9 is the simpler path. You can consider just write in an ebook or a Kindle book, and I've done this 4 different times, and those books are still earning passive income each month. Even though one of them was written over 10 years ago, you could create an Alexa skill or an app, and admittedly. Number 10 is cool, is Mrs. website called the Royalty Exchange, or you can buy royalties from a particular song or a movie, and so anytime that sells you are the one getting manner. Now obviously there's an upfront investment that you require to make to get those royalties. Number 11 is an interesting idea for sure. You could build a niche site that allows you to do some sort of affiliate marketing. For example, let's say you know a whole bunch about dog leashes or dog collars. You could build a website about it, talking about the best dog leashes or dog collars, and each one of those you're linking with an affiliate link over to Amazon or somewhere, and then anytime anyone goes and clicks on that link and goes and buy, you earn money passively. Number 12 is a podcast. Now this is a good amount of active work getting up and running, but potentially if it's a fairly evergreen podcast and the traffic keeps coming, you could earn from that for years to come. You could create an online course. This is also something I've done that I've enjoyed a lot. It's a lot of work creating on the front end, but it's nice once that work is done. You might need to do some updates once in a while and improve it a little bit, but in general, most of the efforts is done on the front point, and then you can earn passive income. Number 13 is on the back end. You could outsource your business. One of the best things you can do as a business owner is start buying back some of your own time, and so engage people to help you so you can purchase back some of your own time. A laundromat is a classic example of a very passive business. People are coming in day or night and just putting quarters in over and over and over again. Vending machines. Many businesses still have vending machines, and just collecting that passive income as people get their Pepsi and Coca today is a great way to get some passive income. Number 14 is starting a YouTube channel. This is not for the faint of heart, and there's a lot of work here creating and getting it up and running, but there are phases of running a YouTube channel that is passive, and done right you could generate a passive income source. Number 15 is best surefire. You could take and sell stock photos. Now as an amateur photographer, this is something I struggled with. I actually attempted to do this and just didn't have much success, but you might be better than me, so give it a shot. You could buy and sell domain names and ads, something I've done a little bit of about a bunch of domains over the years and have had some success with selling some of them off profitably. The most recent one I sold for about 6 times more than I purchased it, which is pretty fun. Number 16 is if you have some web development skills, you could create some sort of software that could be sold as a passive income stream. You get paid to install some apps on your phone. This is kind of funny. I have come across a few of these, and you're not gonna earn much from this at all, but if you want to exchange some of your privacy for a small bit of extra cash. Number 17, there were plenty of apps that allow you to do that. You could rent out your place or a single room on Airbnb. I have one friend who does this every time he goes on desertion. He takes income out of his house on Airbnb, and while he's gone he's earning money from his house, and oftentimes this pays for his desertion, so it's one of the easiest and more on-hand sources of passive income. Number 18 is for a lot of us. You can invest in a food truck. So if you know anybody wanted to start one, you could invest in their business, and if structured properly, then you have some passive income. You could start an Etsy store selling a digital product. If you're only selling handmade widgets that you need to create each time, then it's not a super pass with the business, but if you created a digital product that you can sell over and over again, you're looking at a very passive business. Number 19 is could run out of old baby gear. As a dad with a couple of little kids, we have so much of this, and there's a site called babyquip.com that permits you to rent out your old baby gear. Number 20 is along this vein of renting stuff. You could lease out equipment. So if you have any kind of machinery, anything around your house or your business that you're not using, like think about how I could price this out and earn some passive income from it. And last on the list is vehicle advertising. So if you discover with advertisements all over your car, you can go to a site called Rapfi and connect you with companies you might want to avert in your car. All right. Number 20 is another way. Passive income is money you earn from a part-time job. It is different from active income, which is the money you get money from your job. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like our video to support us. And turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. See you at the next video.